Consumers love islands, and we need to know the fastest and easiest way to place an island in 2020. The way I would do this is pretty easy. I would go to the upper left-hand corner where it reads Room Layout, the tab called Room Layout, and I would choose from the options under Construction Lines. Construction lines by nature are perfect for islands and peninsulas because they create a workspace for your cabinetry so you can build the island, but the wall itself is invisible. That's perfect for what we need. So I'm going to left click on continuous. I'm going to move my cursor down to about where I want my island. It does not need to be perfect because we can adjust it afterwards. I can left click and simply move to the left to create my island. Now my island is going to be 60 inches. So I'm going to type in 60 and hit enter. And it's simply going to be a two-sided island. So I don't need to draw any more walls. So I will hit the escape key on my keyboard to stop drawing walls. Now let's zoom in here for just a moment. And you'll see that my island faces the top wall. It is 60 inches long. And if I wanted to adjust where it was, all I have to do is hold my left-hand button down on the back line and I can move that line anywhere that I want. Now, again, I am just going to guesstimate where I want my island because I can move this to be the exact position later on once I have all my cabinets in place. You'll see here that each block is equal to a square foot. So I have 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet. I'm actually going to move back 5 feet or a little bit more because I know I'm going to have 24 inches of cabinets on the other side. And if I look to the right or to the left, I have just a little bit over 3 feet each side. So hopefully 42 inches or so. And I'll let it go and snap it into place. Now, I mentioned that my island was going to be double-sided. Right now, you only see cabinet space on one side. If I right-click on that back line, I can choose Properties. Now, under the Properties tab is a feature called Type. Under Type, you'll see that my wall is already a construction line, but if I wanted to make it two-sided, all I need to do is put a check mark in the box next to Outside. When I click OK, you now see that my island is two-sided, which means I could go over to my cabinets and let's say that we double click into the base door drawers and find maybe a base 30. So I'll take a base 30. I'm going to drag it over here and drop it into place. I'll just line it up dead center. There's my base 30. I could put a panel on the back side, or just to be quick here, let's drop another base 30 on the other side. And you will see that the two base 30s line up back to back. Now, I will adjust my dimensions here in a little bit where I'll move those out, but they are back to back, so there's no gap. And if I go up and do a quick perspective, you will see that my island, as I zoom in here a little bit, that I have created an island with cabinets that are back to back.